Hey crafty peeps, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by to see what I have going on today. So this is a project share. This is for a swap that I'm involved in. It's hosted by Tamika Sending Smiles here on YouTube. She also has Instagram. I'll link her channel down below. She hosted a swap and it was called Back to the 80s Crafty Trapper Keeper. So if you grew up in the 80s, or if you know about the 80s, you know that the Trapper Keeper was one of those hot items. So when I saw the swap, I was like excited. So I just had to join. So I did use this paper. This paper I picked up from Amazon. And it's called I Love the 80s. How perfect, right? And as you can see, the prints here, it has all the things that you would find in that era. The VHS tapes, vinyl Converse, which I wearing. Those will come back around, so I'm wearing those now. It's amazing how stuff come back around, but yeah, cassette tapes, Teletubbies, all kinds of things. Boombox. And this paper is really paper. It's really thin, like copy paper. But it was so cute when I saw it. See, it has off the shoulder, video games, all that. So this is the paper I used. Used to have those boots too for my project. And for the Trapper Keeper, it's like a take on the Trapper Keeper. We make it in that style, but we'd fill it with crafty items. So we were to include 2 cards, some embellishments, trim samples, some bling, a pack of bling or sequins if you wanted. And I think that's it. Okay, so let me just show you how mine finally came together. And it is quite stuffed. But here's the spine, and we follow the tutorial by Sandy Trifer. I will link her channel down below. So what I did is I laminated my pages. I glued together the paper and some holographic cardstock and laminated my binder pages, the binder and the outside cover. And then added these gems to simulate like brads. And it actually has the Velcro. And I'll show you here. Since I already had that one open, here's another one of the others. See, that's additional Velcro sound. And we were in groups of 3. So I made 3, one for Tamika, of course. So let me just kind of show you what's in here. And so I'm gifting them some candy. We used the binder rings like you would find in a Happy Planner. But you could have used like binder rings or binding, system if you wanted, if you had that. So here's the first pocket. And here are the 2 cards I created. I'm gifting my partners the sentiments and extras if they want to add on the cards. So I just kept them kind of plain. This one, I just put together scraps, and made like her design there. And then here is a set of the embellishments. I created these bows, and this paper that I used, I'll show you. It was paper I got from Monty, the polka dot pine cone, and it was like a textured, like a crocodile print. So I made those bows. I'm gifting them some flowers by Monica. So, and we had to make 2 dividers. So we had to make 2 folders, 2 dividers, and a pocket. So here on the other divider, we were to include our embellishments. So I decorated 1 rosette, and then I left 2, gifting 2 for them to decorate how they want. I just added some tulle. Hold it up a little bit. I added some tulle, a little sticker, a little bead, and another little sticker, and added some gem pieces. And then for the next page, here's my trim samples. And I just have them on this binder clip. These trims and these rosettes were made by Ebony, the Rosette Guru. She sells them on Instagram, and I will put her info down below. But here are some trims that I'm gifting them. Some pom-pom trim and some eyelash as well. And this is actually a piece of laminate. So what I did is I put the stickers in between and ran it through my laminator to create this divider. So that's what you see there. It's really, it's so thick. So here's the pocket that we are creating. And this paper is holographic croc paper, like a crocodile print. But I see it came from Recollections. And let's see, what do they call it? Brilliant paper, foil paper. But yeah, so I got this from Monty. So I used that for this pocket. And this is where I gifted the gems for them. The last pocket is where I have the stickers. And we're only supposed to give 2 packages, but I got so many stickers, so I said I'll gift them some. Then the inside is lined as well with the paper. So I really love, it's thick, really thick, but I really love how it came together. It was such a fun project. I'm hoping my partners will like their Trapper Keeper. I'm excited to see what I get, but these are the swaps. And I thank you for watching. Any questions about anything I used or how it came about, please ask down below. Look forward to your comments and let me know what you think about it, this project. And you all have a crafty day. Let me rearrange this a little better so I can get this one closed, and I'll see you in the next video.